Hey friends, this is Atif over and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Verasity has broken out a quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it was not able to break another down trend line resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still it is trying to break out this resistance. Previously, we got rejection here. After the breakout from this channel, the price retested the previous resistance of the channel as support. And after testing this support zone, that starts from $0.0023 and goes to $0.0021. The price and geared up once again, but got rejected by this downtrend and resistance here, and once again, it is getting rejected by this resistance here. And previously, this downtrend and resistance has been breaking at a very strong resistance here for several days when it was moving inside this channel. And by the way, here we also have this horizontal support here. In fact, this is a complete support zone that starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. And this is the formation of another descending triangle. And now there can be a probability that after this rejection, the price may retest or test the support of the triangle, because at the same time we can see that both oscillators, the stochastic and RSI, both oscillators have entered the overbought zone. You can see that we have also received the bear cross by the stochastic as well, like this blue line has crossed down the orange line. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may test the support of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Dodo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see a complete trade setup like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of October 2024. And you can also watch how the price then moved after sharing this signal. For that purpose, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. First, it entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice and massive pump. Now let's move to the live chart of Verasity, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price has been moving inside this triangle. And by the way, we found the resistance of the triangle here when it was moving inside this previous channel. And this is a quite long-term support zone that starts from $0.0023 and goes to $0.0021. And now it is also working as a support of a big descending triangle as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously working as support zone here in the month of December 2022. This support zone that starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. In fact, this was the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous and big falling wedge pattern here, this one. And now for the past several weeks, again, it is working as a very strong support zone. At the same time, it is also working as support for this triangle as well. And in case of breaking down the support of this triangle, the technical target to the downside will be here, quite low from here. That will be approximately at $0.00 and 0, 3 times 0, $865. But before that, we will have another support here at $0.0016 as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, the target to the upside will be here, approximately very close to the 1 cent. And by the way, slightly lower than this target, we have this resistance of $0.0095 as well. Almost at 1 cent we have this resistance. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.5 cents. And slightly higher than this target, we have this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents. If you take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously working as support here, and now it can work as a strong resistance. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.